Hi friends, welcome back to Krish channel. Okay, so here today so this will be something like it's a new beginning for the channel. Okay, so as expected, right, from the subscribers or viewers. Okay, so I'll be coming up with more number of trades, setups, and very useful information. Okay, so in the sense that is something like which is not available actually. That's what I can guarantee that. So I'll be coming up with more trades. Okay, how you have to trade and how you have to set up the things and all that. So beginning with, right, so I'm just doing a scalping trade here right away on the Bank Nifty. Okay, you can see, right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just trading on the Bank Nifty now. I just placed some 20, 200 day, 8 moving average and pivot levels are there, right? So as of now the Bank Nifty is very strong. You can see the candles and reversal, everything is there. And going forward in the coming sessions I'll be coming up with how to use the moving averages, how to place the pivot levels, how to take support and resistance and all that. Okay, but let me tell you how I take a trade here. So here double two, okay, 22,387 will be the stop, and we will target 100 rupees downside. Okay, now, yeah. So let's see how it goes from here on. Okay, I don't change the time frame also. I just want to show you right away. Let it go above the line again and come back. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay, yeah, it is still trading at yeah. To see the more number of candlesticks, what I told you, we have to go back to the 5 minutes or 2 minutes chart. Okay, so let's see there. And what I'm going to do is I'll remove the pivot levels. Yeah, let's see now. It's triggered now. Okay, it's triggered, just triggered. And let's see now. Okay, we'll take off this this also moving average. Okay, our target is, what I told you is, our target is 22,280. Okay, so we are on 5 minutes chart and we have what is the reason is, our reason is simple. Okay, because of this candle, okay, this candlestick, even on 15 minutes also it is a reverse hammer and there is a resistance here if you see these wicks and all that. Okay, so based upon that I have shorted at 22,387 and my target is 100 rupees on the downside. Okay, so as of now I didn't place any stop loss because I know that at least it will come down to some extent. Okay, so based upon that we will fix the stop loss. Okay, there is no guarantee that we'll be successful on this trade, but why I'm taking the trade is the price moved, okay, since yesterday. If you see, since yesterday it moved from here. That's the only thing, and we cannot go against the market. That's the reason I'm only scalping now. Scalping in the sense quick profits, okay, or whatever quick loss you can say. It's a like instant trade. Okay, something like instant noodles. Okay, instant stuff like that, instant trade, which will be something like max 15 minutes only. Okay, very maximum 15 minutes. Most of the trades will be finished in something like just 5-6 minutes also. So let's see what happens now. I'm just expecting a strong pullback on the downside because tomorrow is also expiry, so anything downside will be very lucky enough. So our entry is here and our target is here. Okay, so this is a scalping trade. If you see, right, this is where the price might come like this. You closely see, right, base is created now. If it fails, our target hits. If it is sustains, means whatever our stop loss. Okay, in the sense I didn't exit as of now, but we'll be waiting for that reversal. Okay, means above this it should hit actually. Understand? So this is where the proper resistance is there. Okay, so we'll see what happens now. First thing is we need to be very strong and we should not look at the trade. Okay, let's leave it off. Whatever happens, we have taken the trade, so let's see. Okay, actually it is moving in that area only. Okay, So this kind of move also we can expect. These candlesticks you can see, right? This kind of move also we can expect on the upside. So see, I'm ready to accept anything. So that's what a normal, okay, the professional, what they'll do is, a professional is not different from a normal trader. What he implements is something like which he plans and which he accepts also. Okay, even if he gets a huge loss, he'll never get a huge loss because he plans everything before that, and he also he knows that what kind of a loss he can take on a trade. See, now I expected this kind of a move, right? So it doesn't bother me. Even if it goes upside 430, 440 also, because I know that it will move against me, right? But what I know confirm is that I will see a good big bar like this by end of this day. Okay, today I know that this kind of a bar will be there at some point of time. I'm expecting that, so that's the reason. But that long I can't wait. How fast my target hits, right? That will be fine. This is purely scalping trade. It's a scalp trade, so we should not be in the market for more than 15-20 minutes. Max we can extend to 20 minutes. Already it's 10 minutes already done, so we can wait for 10 more minutes only. After that, if it is some loss or some profit also, we need to exit from the trade. I'll be exiting the trade also, okay, in the next 10 minutes if it doesn't move either side. This is congestion area, okay. So now the market makers will decide a direction, so let them decide what they want to do. But my reason is very strong, so I'll be waiting for my target, okay. So this congestion area, a new direction. Actually our time is just done almost, so even one bar like this also it's good. Yes, if it should extend now, but there is a support again. See, that's why, that's the problem here. Got a 50 points. That what's the use? Yeah, I think it should extend now. We're almost there. If this extends, right, it's very good. The market also will collapse now for some time. At least some kind of a correction will be there. Remember one thing, okay, see, in markets, right, in this market, first thing is you should not follow any kind of what do you call pre-setup news, okay, or any technicals. Remember that, okay. So on these lines, right, I'll be coming up with very good sessions, because I just want to build this channel based on trading psychology, risk management, okay, and how to build a long-term portfolio based upon the technicals fundamentals, okay. So all these will help you in either you go ahead in a trading career, or a financial, something like into investor setups, okay. So basically, see, what I want to share here on this Pro Trader Chris channel is how to take trades based upon pre-planned setups, and how not enter into any kind of emotional trades, or how not to take any kinds of tips and follow advisory, okay. All these things which will always give the maximum losses to you, okay. So I want to make sure that my channel, okay, this Pro Trader Chris channel will help you, at least give you some kind of reasonable profits by your own knowledge, okay, in the sense your own decisions, not following others' decisions or other ideas. You need to build upon your own setups and make use of them. See, I can exit this trade actually because my 20 minutes also gone. But why I'm just waiting is, normally what happens, okay, I just want to tell you this also. Normally what happens is, whenever we wind up a trade, Okay, whenever we wind up a trade, that's when the market maker, in the sense whoever is just moving this price, we cannot move the price, right? So whoever moves this price, then they will move the price into our direction, in the sense whatever we believe, that price will come, but we are not there at that point of time. Our view was right, whatever we taken a decision was right, and whatever our plan was also bang on, but because we don't have the patience, because we don't have the time to stay there, okay, for such a long period of time, we didn't get the profits, or we were not in the trade. And we know when we come outside of from that trade, we know that, oh my goodness, yeah, now it will hit. Actually it will hit now, it will hit, but I was not there. Okay, let me see from outside of the trade. Okay, so this is what we think, and definitely our target will also hit. And then you realize that, oh, I would have waited for such a long time, I would have been in the trade, unnecessarily I came outside, easily I would have got my 100 points. So that's what we do. For that reason only I extended this trade. Now you, in front of your eyes, now you're gonna see how the 100 point means 22,280 will come now. Just wait, because market was designed in such a way, okay, it won't listen to anyone, but it will it will fulfill everyone's whatever dream or whatever views. That is market. It is just creating a zone wherein, okay, so it want to take a new direction. Now let's follow its direction. Okay, doesn't matter if it takes upside direction, I'll just reverse my trade. If it comes below, right, anyhow our target will hit. So either one is good, but this kind of a bar is expected today, this big bar kind of fall. Yeah, okay, so we waited for so long, actually, in the sense around almost 35 minutes, and finally our target is achieved. Okay, it's getting almost there, and one more down leg will hit our 22,280, that is nearly, and whatever, our 100 points already came in here, but I'll wait for, yeah, 22,991 was hit, but it's not like it will stop here, it will extend till this point of time. There is a chance, but we'll wait for a target. Okay, so I just want to show you this, right? So that's the reason I have waited for this long, very patiently, and you know, right, what happens when we wait patiently? This is what happens. So this is what I want to show you guys. Okay, just forget about all these moving averages and all that. Just look at the price. Look at the price and how the price will move accordingly. We wish that our target hits, right? Our target is about to hit now. That confidence you need to have. I know that this price will come back downside. So just waiting to show you guys so how it hits the target. I would have booked the profit, but why I waited is we should not do the monkey jumps. Okay, we should not do the monkey jumps because we will lose the extended rallies, okay, on the downside. So that's the thing. But anyhow, I'll be booking the profit where exactly we place the stop, I mean target 22,280. But the case here is we should not do the monkey jumping, saying that, oh my goodness, it came down to 22,291 and it moved upside. Okay, that's a wrong assumption. Okay, wrong trade. I'm expecting one more big bar downside, very strong bar, will come deep inside, I think so. Yeah, it's almost there, and it's there. Another 20 points, one more minute, I guess. One more minute, it's almost there. almost there. We should not take off. Okay, we should not book the profit here. Okay, it's means we are changing our mind, so we need to wait, because the bar is big one. Okay, this red bar is big one. This is not a small bar, so we need to respect this bar. At least they will come down till our target, that's for sure. Let's wait for 1 minute. Okay, don't worry. Okay, we should not, because that's a red cat bounce. They want to get downside now. The price will hit our target. I think this candle should close actually. Now I think it should hit the target. It has the power now. It has the power to hit the target. Yes, I think it should. Yeah. I think, see, we have done our target now. Okay, right? So exactly from this location, okay, what I have placed the target. So I have placed around that 22,280. Okay, so that target was finally triggered. Okay, and it might come down also now. Okay, so people think that now our target hit and it will go back upside. No, now you see the thing. Actually, I'll wait for another 2-3 minutes, because see, they will take off the more orders now downside. They won't stop it there only. Just wait. What they'll do is they know that there are orders here. So what they're gonna do is they'll take off these orders also. Means their probably their next target will be this thing. Okay. So I'll wait for 1 more minute, last minute. Okay, we'll see. Last 2 minutes. So finally, how we waited and we have achieved our target, you can clearly see. Yeah, let it go where it wants to go now. I just want to take off because there is a bull candle upside now. Okay, so let's wind up, and it will come down. Okay, definitely it will come down, that's guaranteed, but doesn't matter for us now. Okay, this is what I want to share with you guys. Thank you, and keep following Pro Trader Krish, and if you have any queries related to technical analysis, okay, you please do comment in the comment section, and please do subscribe to Pro Trader Krish, okay, for updates on market. Thank you.